Hi, my name's Ayoko, and today we're going to go over the similarities and, more importantly, the differences between our house hydrant models. We have our V1 Plus and V2 Plus house hydrants. Both are made of marine-grade stainless steel, freeze-proof, and certified for new construction. The main difference between these two models is the location of a code-required vacuum breaker. You can learn more about vacuum breakers on our blog. For the V1 Plus, the vacuum breaker is located in the hose connector. And for the V2 Plus, the vacuum breaker is built into the hydrant body. For a simpler install, the V1 Plus is great for replacing your existing outdoor faucet and achieving a sleek look on your home. The V2 Plus is the best option when you live in an area that requires a built-in vacuum breaker. Either option is going to make a great upgrade to your home and provide you with easy outdoor water access and a lifetime of reliability.